Hey friends, if you wish to fix API MS WinCo time zone IE110 error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now, whenever we face issues with the DLL, simply open your browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Go to the first link, which should be the learn.microsoft.com one. Scroll down, you'll find two options. The x86 version is for 32-bit computers and the x64 version is for 64-bit computers. Select the x64 one, then open it and then click on repair, or if it is not installed then you can install it. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.